Everyone, welcome again to Instagram Masterminds. And today we're learning about why Instagram. Yes, it's a big question. If you're on Instagram, so why are you using Instagram? Why don't Facebook? Why you selected Instagram to grow your business? So I have good stats which can tell you why you have to use Instagram to grow your business. First of all, the most important thing you have to do today is take out your Instagram journal and write what is your goal. Yes, write what is your goal, what you want to achieve from Instagram. Like if you want to make more money, then why? If you want to travel the world, then write it down in the Instagram journal. Yes, I have to travel the world. That's why I have to make more money and I will make that money from Instagram. If you want to make more money to help your family, write it down. If you want to make more money to help the society, write it down. So your goal must be clear. Why you want to use Instagram, or why you want to build your following or your business on Instagram to grow more money and anything else. It's your goal. So write your goal in your Instagram journal, because if you have a goal, then you will be being pushed from your back. You will have a push on your back so that you will be performing much better, because you know that I want to make more money from Instagram because I want to travel the world. It's my goal. So that it will help you to grow more and put in more effort so that you get all the results going your way. So take out Instagram journal, write your goal, write your big purpose goal. Yes, I want to be at there at the end of 1 month. I want to be at this place at the end of 1 year or at the end of 5 years. You can write your goal according to you and according to your time span. Okay, so write your goal. And the next thing you want to learn is why Instagram, why people will buy from you and how people will buy from you. So why Instagram? Because Instagram has 1 billion active users. And I tell you, 1 billion is a very huge number. Instagram is the hottest platform available to grow your business because it has huge active users. Yes, Instagram has 1 billion active users. If you get only 1% of this, yes, only 1% or a 0.1% of this, you can make millions out of it. Yes, believe me, you can make millions out of it. The next thing is 500 million people check their Instagram feed daily. The 50% of people check their Instagram feed on a regular basis, on a daily basis. The next point is 500 million people check their stories regularly on a daily basis. So the 50% of people, you discover new product, discover new people, discover new things using Instagram on a daily basis. And the remaining 500 people discover new product, discover new people, discover new things using stories on a daily basis. Okay, so that's why Instagram is very huge platform and it's called as the hottest platform to grow your business. And I got all the stats from directly from Instagram.com. So we jump to the next page, and here we get more stats like in percent wise, like 60% of Instagram users discover new products using it. Yes, the people using Instagram, out of them, 60% of people discover new products using Instagram. They're not there to just like the feed of people, like the photos of people, who comment on them. They are there to discover new products and new feeds, because 70% users follow IG businesses. Yes, 70% people follow IG business. Maybe you can have your local store where you are selling, say, watches, clothes, or shoes. But if your content is good, people will follow you. People will follow your IG business. Okay, so this was just an example, but this is real estate that 70% users follow IG business on Instagram. Okay, and the most important thing, people on Instagram are already rich. They have money to buy from you. And the next step tells us the same thing, is that 40% of Instagram users make $30K, like $30,000 per year. And $30,000 is a big amount. I tell you, that is sufficient to live a good life. But only 40% people make $30,000 per year. But the more interesting fact is that 60% people make $100,000 per year, and it is a huge amount. Okay, 60% people, the majority of people on Instagram make $100,000 per year. This means that people are already rich on Instagram. They have money to buy from you, and they will definitely buy from you because they use new product, they discover new product using Instagram. So they will definitely buy from you because they have money. The only thing you have to need to learn is how to sell and what to sell. And it's just simple. Just grow a following, convert them to true fans, sell something and automate it. You will be gaining a lot of money from Instagram. But the first and most important thing is how to build a following and converting them to true fan. And we're learning how to gain following, how to convert them to true fans in the upcoming videos in a great detail, because I've made this course value added and full fledged so that you get to learn each and everything with quite detail. Next important stat is 75% of people take actions using website links given in the bio or in description of the post. Okay, so Instagram allows us to give a link in a bio. Okay, so people when surf accounts, go to accounts, they click on the links given in the bio, or they click on the links on given a description of any post, and they get redirected to the website from which you are selling something, and they go to the website and buy something from there because they are there to discover new products. And it's the truth. People have money, people use Instagram to buy, discover new products and buy them. Okay, so you have a good amount of people who will buy from you because they're a little rich, they want to buy new things, want to discover new things, and you are here to sell. So your ecosystem is already created. You have people, you have money, and you have a product to sell them. Just you need to know what is the product you will be selling and what is the techniques to sell these things. And that's it. The game changes, and you will be getting a lot of money out of Instagram because it's easy. Just you to follow the techniques and the formulas that are teaching you in the upcoming videos. And after that, you will become an Instagram ninja. Yeah, it can call as Instagram mastermind or Instagram ninja, what you want to say, but you become that. So in this video, we got to learn about how people are available to buy products from us on Instagram. Okay, people have money, so they will buy from you. Okay, so this is for the video, and we'll be getting to know about all the business model in the upcoming videos. Okay, the next video will be about the business model on Instagram. That's for the video. Thank you so much.